everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I am following up yesterday's video, which was my top 5 upcoming Yeezys. Today we're doing that but with Jordan, so I'm going to be ranking my top 5 that I'm most excited for upcoming, not just this year, but there's a couple for next year as well, so we've got a lot to look forward to from Jordan brand. Now, of course, if you are new to the channel, then you know what, go and hit that subscribe button. You get to hang out with me on a regular basis, and what could be better than that? So without further ado, let's jump into that list. So just like last time, I'm gonna go with 3 honorable mentions and then get straight into the top 5. For the number 3 spot, we have the Fire Red 4s. So yes, of course, we had the Fire Red 5s drop earlier this year, and that was a great colorway. I was super happy that they retroed that, and now we are getting that same color blocking on a Jordan 4 silhouette. And now I think Jordan 4 is probably one of my favorite Jordan silhouettes out of the entire Jordan lineup. So I am going to be a little bit biased towards the 4 model, but you know what, I think this is a great colorway either way. Now this is speculated to release on November, around Black Friday, which I think is November the 26th or the 27th. Either way, it is coming real soon, so you can expect this in November time. I love this colorway. I think it's super nice. Next up, we have, you know what, it's just to piss you guys off. I have the Union Jordan 4 for the second listing of my honorable mentions. Now look, okay, everybody hates this sneaker. I don't really mind it. I mean, it's not my favorite by any means, but it's not something that I'm particularly getting emotional about or any kind of feeling. Now look, along with this colorway right here, which is, you know, the kind of predominantly black upper, the chopped tongue, the sail midsole, the blue, you know, the kind of like darker blue. Apart from this one, we recently got news of a Union exclusive guava colorway, which comes in like this kind of icy pink look, and this pink one is definitely not my favorite. Like, I would take the first colorway over this pinkish one any day. I don't think the colors go particularly well. Now the Union Air Jordan 4 is going to be releasing right around the corner. Actually, it is coming through on August the 29th. Now last up on my honorable mentions list, we have the Jordan 1 dark mocha or mocha colorway. Now this has been kind of rumored for quite a while now, and of course this has been called kind of like the poor man's Travis Scott 1, but you know what, I feel like it's without the Travis Scott collaboration, it was probably still going to be a popular Jordan 1 because it's just pretty different. Now it comes with some sail color blocking with the black around the toe box, and basically the mocha or the dark brown colorway is on the back of the sneaker. This is definitely shaping up to be a pretty solid Jordan 1 sneaker. I think it looks pretty cool, and I'm glad they just did the mocha at the back. I feel like if they did the whole shoe, it just look a bit too similar. Alright, and getting into my top 5 list, and you know what, Jordan brand is putting out some amazing colorways. 5 on my list, and this is one I kind of wanted to put a bit higher. I am a massive fan of this colorway, and that is the Jordan 5 Alternate Bel Air. Now you really do not have to wait that long for this colorway. This is going to be releasing on August the 15th, so you know, 2 weeks away, not long at all, and this colorway is looking fresh. Coming in predominantly a white upper, you've got a nice lime green with shadowed with some blue for the 23 on the side. Of course, you have that crazy midsole with the purple, the pink, and some of that icy blue midsole coming through, as well as the green. And of course, the sock liner coming in that crazy print, which I'm just a massive fan of. This one is gotta be, I'm just super excited for it. I'm definitely gonna try to get my hands on it, but you know, we'll just have to wait and see how that goes. I mean, the way sneakers are selling out recently, it seems like we're all gonna struggle. 4 on my list, and we are talking a crazy colorway, which I'm a massive fan of. Again, this could have been higher on my list as well, and that is the Jordan 1 Biohack. Now this colorway, of course, has a bunch of colors on it. You're looking at a lime green midsole, you're looking at a kind of light blue or teal toe box with a darker blue mud guard. You're looking at some brown on the back, some black, some red, some orange. It's just crazy. There's a lot of colors, but somehow they tied it together to just look really nice. Now this Jordan 1 Biohack colorway is looking to release this September, with rumors saying on the 5th, and it is supposed to come in full family sizing. Now I don't know how limited this is going to be, however, you know, I feel like a lot of people are going to like this colorway. It is very different to a normal Jordan 1, so I'm a big fan. It's not something we see all the time, so I'm definitely going to be going for this colorway. Alright, for number 3, we have some hype coming through to the list, and that of course is the Off-White Jordan 4 collaboration on the Bread colorway. Now this sneaker is going to be insanely hyped. This is going to be so popular. It's going to be one that, I mean, anybody who's into sneakers is probably going to be going for. This is just, you know, a Bread colorway is already popular. Then you throw the Off-White collaboration in there and you're causing chaos. Of course, I do like this colorway. I do think it is really good. However, the release date is a little bit, it's a little bit strange. So some rumors or leaks are saying August, which, I mean, if that's true, we don't have to wait very long. This is coming in the next few weeks. However, we did just see the sale Off-White 4s, so, you know, I don't know. But either way, I'm excited for this one. If it doesn't drop in August, I would expect sometime this year. Hopefully, you know, before December. However, we are just gonna have to wait and see. Alright, we are moving into some crazy territory once again. For number 2 on my list, we have the Jordan 5 What The. Now, we have already seen these rumors of this What The Jordan 5 coming through for quite a while now, and this is looking like an insane colorway. I really like it. The alternating left to right colors, I think is really, I'm just a massive fan of that. So almost any sneaker you do that with, if you do it well enough, I'm probably gonna like it. Now on this Jordan 5, you have one which comes in predominantly red and the other coming in predominantly yellow. These pretty much look like two different sneakers. They are completely different. However, I think they are going to look really good. I feel like they have matched it up really well. And as you can see from where it is sitting on my top 5 list, of course, I am a massive fan of it. So of course, the What The theme that they are placing on this Jordan 5 silhouette is a kind of mashup of a bunch of different colorways. I love this theme. I think it looks really cool. I think they smashed it out of the park with this one. And of course, things may slightly change, but from what we know in terms of release dates as of yet, this is looking to come in November, specifically on the 7th. Number 1 on my list, my most anticipated, and this is just strictly off of the colorway. You know, I'm not chasing the hypes per se, otherwise I would have had the Off-Whites at the top. This is strictly my opinion. Again, I want you guys to drop down your top 5. Let me know what that is. It could be completely different. Number 1 on my list is the Jordan 4 SE University Blue. Even though this is so far in the future, these leaks and these kind of renders of what this will look like are amazing. And if it actually turns out like this is probably going to be one of my favorite colorways in such a long time. The upper predominantly comes in this kind of icy, really light blue, which I think looks really, really nice. You've got some black accents or pretty much a cement or white cement midsole, which I think complements the blue super nice. This is a solid Jordan 4 sneaker. These are looking to come about March of 2021. So of course, with something so far in the future, I mean, the release date could change, the colorway could change, it could look completely different from the renders that we have seen as of now. However, I'm crossing my fingers, I am tapping on wood. I really hope that this is what it actually looks like, because I'm definitely gonna try and get my hands on it. Let me know what you think of my top 5. Drop down your top 5. Thank you very much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I really do appreciate the support, guys. Thank you so much. I will catch you in the next video, but until then.